In this video lesson, we're going to look at finding the surface area of a prism. To find the surface area of a prism, you need to find the area of all of the faces of the prism combined. So if we look at this prism, we're going to look at the areas of the different sides. I'm going to shade this in red, so that whenever you see anything written in red, you'll know that it's in reference to that face. So this face, to find the area of that face, the area of a rectangular face, which this is equal to length times width. And the length of this face is 5.6, and we're going to multiply it by the width, or the height in this case, 3.2. And we're going to get a total of 17.92 centimeters squared. Because we're multiplying 5.6 centimeters by 3.2 centimeters, we get 17.92 centimeters squared. And then if I want to find this area of this face, I'm going to take the length 10.4 and use 3.2 as the width. So the area is equal to length times width, 10.4 multiplied by 3.2, and it gives me an area of 33.28 centimeters squared. And then we have this side up here, which I've shaded in blue, and it's again a rectangle, so the area equals length times width, which would be equal to 5.6 multiplied by 10.4, and we get an area of 58.24 centimeters squared. So now that I've got these three, I can't just simply add them up, because as we know with models of 3D shapes, if I were to go and sketch in the missing lines, the imaginary lines that we can't see, we can see that there would be another red face in the back, another green face over here, and then another blue face on the bottom, all of equal length. So when we write out our surface area formula, we're going to take two red faces, so that will be 2 17.92 plus 2 green faces, or 2 times 32.28, plus 2 blue faces, or 2 times 58.24. So when I multiply these, I get, for the red faces, we would have 94.08, plus for the green faces 66.56, plus for the blue faces we'd have 116.48. So and when we add up these three faces, or these six faces, add up all three of them, these three groups of two faces, we get a total surface area of 277.12 centimeters squared. So this would be our surface area. This would be the area that is covered by the outside. If you were to cover the outside of this prism, you'd be covering 277.12 centimeters squared.